Hello everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. You are very welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's your nutritionist here again, Gloria Nyamigisa. I welcome you back to our videos. This is our second video. Like I promised last week, we are here again to start sharing our knowledge together and growing together and widening nutrition awareness and living healthier lives. So you are warmly welcome back to Nutrition Care with Gloria Nyamigisa. So today I want to talk about four things that I could consider basics of life. Well, life has to do with a number of things, nutrition has to do with a number of things, but there are things that are very vital for our healthy being. And I've pointed out only four things, but with our next videos, I'm going to be talking about more and helping us break down these things the more so that we are able to understand. But one thing that I would like to advise you who is watching me is that the attitude with which I want you to watch this video or to receive this content is that these things are achievable. A healthy life is achievable depending on whether you are healthy now or not. If you are healthy now, you can maintain that health. If you are unhealthy now, you can achieve the good health. It's not a myth or a mystery that health cannot be achieved. You can actually live a healthy life, in that even if there is anything that is to attack your body will be able to resist, your body will be able to signal, your body will be able to fight. But we also have a contribution, we also have something to contribute. And some of the things that I'm going to talk about today are closely related to nutrition, because like I said, nutrition, well, is the study of food and the science therein, but it also has a number of other things. We have branches, we have pediatric nutrition, we have sports nutrition, we have a number of things to do with nutrition. So today, I'm going to talk about these only four basics where we can start from, and then in the coming videos, I'll keep expanding maybe each of these basics, and we shall continue sharing our knowledge together. So, the first thing that I would like us to talk about is hydration, hydrating. I know this is not new to a number of you. You have heard it from a number of people. You need to hydrate, you need to take water, you need to take fluids, and maybe we have never taken time to understand what hydration exactly means. In simple terms, hydration is the replacement of water that has been lost from the body through a number of processes. The replacement of water, or putting back the water that has been lost from the body through a number of processes. One of them could be sweating, exhaling, expelling of waste, crying, and a number of things. Our body loses water in a number of things. And also this has a lot to do with the absorption of this water. The body also has to absorb the water, but one thing that is for sure is that the body cannot absorb the water that you have not availed it with. And we know, like, the biggest percentage of our bodies is made up of water. So that means water is very, very important for our health. Water is very, very important for the well functioning of our bodies. Every cell, which is the smallest unit in your body, every tissue, every organ, your muscles, your everything, your body needs a lot of water to function very well. Some of the things are that your body needs water to maintain its temperature. Your body needs water to carry out metabolism. Your body needs water to lubricate your joints, to lubricate your bones, and a number of other things. So water is very, very important for our bodies, and that is why when our bodies are deprived of water, the body signals. A number of us, or some of us, could be having this habit of only taking water when you become thirsty. But that is bad, because that has already gone to the extremes, whereby your blood level has gone down, and your blood volume has gone down, and the salts are rising, and your blood is very concentrated, and the body, the brain, it receives this signal, and it releases the antidiuretic hormone, which tells your kidneys to hold back the water, and then the signal is sent to your body, and then that's when you start feeling thirsty. But it doesn't have to go to this. It doesn't have to go to this for you to start taking water. Some of us only take water when you are eating. You sit with your 2 glasses of water as you eat, you sip in water, which is also bad because it interferes with your digestion. Some of us only take water because your doctor, your nutritionist, or your friend has advised to take water. You sit down and you take 8 glasses of water in one sitting. But still, that is not healthy at all, because also too much water is not okay. You can end up lowering your sodium levels and you get fetal brain edema. That's why you see people drowning and dying, because your cells need water, yes, but too much of anything is always bad. So looking at how water is important and the mistakes that we make while taking water, how should someone take water? Well, some of us have been told, take 8 glasses of water a day, take 6 glasses of water a day, take 1 glass, 1 liter, 2 liters. A number of recommendations have been made. And before I actually go to that, you could be asking yourself, do other drinks count? When you say hydration, do other drinks count? Yes, I can say they count. Coffee counts. All those beverages count. Juice counts, but to a lesser extent. Why? Because some of the things that we take, like energy drinks or other sweetened drinks, will end up contributing to your caloric intake. You'll find yourself taking in empty calories and increasing your calorie intake instead of only hydrating. So I would recommend that the best hydration method is taking plain water. It's okay for you along the way, throughout the day, to have your bottle of juice sipping on. It is okay, but ensure that you take water, because water is very clear. It doesn't have calories, and it is exactly what the body absorbs and needs for everything. So what is the way of taking water? Like I said, first of all, our fluid requirements differ a lot, depending on your age, depending on your height, depending on your weight, your physical activity, and also other individual circumstances. There are people actually who have conditions that require them to take less fluid. There are people who have health conditions whereby your doctor has told you to restrict fluid, to take in less water. Like people with kidney stones, they have different fluid prescription from someone who is normal. So I can say that there could be no clear standard, apart from people who are healthy, maybe where they tell you to take only 6 glasses of water. But depending on your body and what you do and the circumstances that surround you, each one of us has different requirements when it comes to water intake. So and this is entirely dependent on research, yes, and what you do and what people have discovered. So it is very, very important for you to take water according to your body needs. If you are a sports person, you will take in water depending on your activity. Let's say you're going for a lap, you are going for an exercise, your body will need much more water than an office worker who is seated in office. And this is what I can say when it comes to taking water. Hydrate throughout the day. Have a bottle of water that you can keep sipping on. Have a cup of water that you can keep sipping on throughout the day, so that your body is able to keep receiving this water in small amounts and is able to absorb it and use it for exactly what it wants. Not sit in one sitting and put down a whole bottle of water. That water will be expelled as urine and it may not benefit the body. So if you have a specific fluid prescription from your doctor, follow it. If you don't have a specific fluid prescription, look at your activities. If you're a very active person, it means you may need more water. So you may need to take more than 6 glasses of water or 8 glasses of water, like we have been recommended, like it has been recommended. But if you are a normal person, keep yourself with water that you can keep sipping on. I will not say sip 2 times in 1 minute or what, but according to because for as long as you have a bottle of water before you, you will it kind of even becomes involuntary, whereby you get your water, sip on and put it back, so that your body keeps hydrated. It actually improves on your looks, because a dry skin is not something that you would want. So keep yourself hydrated, keep taking water, keep sipping on water, at least going back to what research has discovered. Make sure that by the end of the day you have taken 6 to 8 glasses of water in these different time intervals. Don't only take those 6 glasses of water at lunchtime, but keep taking small amounts throughout the day. If you have a 1 liter bottle, make sure you're hydrating throughout your day, because your body needs this water. And do not only wait for signals. These things are achieved. Water is not sour, water is not salty, water is not anything. So you could step up this game. You could keep motivating yourself. You can keep reminding yourself. You can buy a bottle that clearly shows the volumes of water and all those things. You can achieve this, you can do this, and you can take the water very well. So another thing that I want to talk about is eat food. I don't want the video to be very long, but looks like hydration has taken a lot. Eat food. Do not skip meals to maintain weight, to gain weight, to achieve ABC. We are going to be talking about a number of different diet types and meal plans and all those things for you to achieve your desired body goals and your desired health. Eat food. Have complete meals. It is very important for your health. Get enough rest. Your body needs to repair. Get enough rest. At least if you are an adult, leave alone the neonates or the newborns who may need to sleep for more than 17 hours. At least get good time of sleep from 7 to 8 hours if you are an adult, so that your body repairs. Your body gets time to repair these tissues, utilize the nutrients it has absorbed, and all these other things. So one other thing that I would not want to leave without talking about is step up your physical activity. There are a number of benefits. I'm going to create a video about physical activity and how it contributes to our positive nutrition status. Please step up your physical activity. If you're a sedentary worker, you may need to take a walk, you may need to jog around for your good health, because your body needs this physical activity for flexibility, for weight management, to also protect yourself from a number of diseases like cardiovascular diseases, heart diseases, strokes, and all these other things. You may not start running immediately, but you can take baby steps. I'm going to create a video specifically about physical activity, and so that we are able to understand how to do it and what it means and the details that are entailed therein. So this video has been the biggest percentage has been hydration, but it is okay because it is very vital. In the next videos I'll be breaking down all these other basics, like eating food, because your body needs nutrients to function. Without nutrients, your body cannot function. Your cognitive consistency needs nutrients. Your physical activity needs nutrients. Your body processes, all of them need nutrients. So please hydrate, eat food, get enough rest, and step up your physical activity. These are some of the things that I could only tackle today, but in the coming videos, I will be surely breaking them down for you to understand more, like I've broken down hydration. And please, in case of any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section. Feel free to ask any question, and I'll surely respond either there or in the coming videos. Let me know about your concerns. Let me know about what you have not understood from this video, because this is nutrition care for you, and you are entitled to these things. By the way, you are entitled to the answers, and you're entitled to the support. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. This is for you, this is for us.